So there's a lot of videos on suspension noises that people hear, clunking sounds and etc. on BMWs. This is my BMW 328i. A little frustrated with the same problem everybody else is having, about 150 different solutions, and a lot of people never actually post their solutions. So what I found is that if you move the wheel in and out slightly, Cody, back and forth, just real easy. Okay, now what I found is that there's a lot of play here in this lower joint. So if I hold it tightly and keep it from moving, right, try it again, just easy, you get rid of most of the noise. Okay, this lower arm, I'm going to replace, and that should take care of a lot of the play. There may be other problems with it, but at least this is one solution, or one problem I found. Thanks. Suspension arm doesn't look like it's damaged or worn out or anything. There is apparently an inner sleeve in it that will cause it to... there's an inner sleeve in it that is actually loose.